Our science correspondent Martin Stew is here. A lot of people would be very excited to hear this. How does it work?
Well, before we get to the how, let's start with the why it's so important. It's 1 in 7 adults have tinnitus, and it ranges from that sort of mild ringing in the ears to really debilitating, buzzing, throbbing sounds that can really impact your life in a really detrimental way. And the current treatments all just help you deal with it, help you cope. What scientists hope is this is the first time maybe that you can actually turn that noise down. And they do it with a bit of sound, which sounds a bit like this.